Original lesson. Wi-Fi function is normal. Remove the motherboard. Dismantle the original Wi-Fi chip. Note, blowing off with a hot air workstation, or dismantling with a grinding machine. Grinding finished. Install in mobile phone without the Wi-Fi chip. The SN is still the same after booting up. Wi-Fi function was damaged. Connect the mobile phone MP15 to computer. Place the JCID Wi-Fi chip in the module. Open JCID Repair Assistant on computer. Connect PU. After connecting successfully, the Wi-Fi chip is under inactive status. Activate the Wi-Fi. Note, the latest interface on the platform shows Wi-Fi chip was activated. Climb 10 on the activated JCID Wi-Fi chip. Soldering the chip on motherboard. After soldering, install it in mobile phone. Wi-Fi has been fixed.